Hello from Aromagees, and I wanted to show you today our Healing Energy Oil. Healing energy is great for people who perform things like energy work, such as Reiki and Healing Touch therapy. It's also for anyone who, when you come in contact with someone who drains your energy, you can use it to bring you back up to par, I guess you can say. Um, Also, for anyone who needs a little self-healing, it's not only physical, but when you feel mentally drained and you need sort of a spiritual repair. Of course, it can also be used for illness. Of course, do not use in place of a doctor, use it in conjunction with. But healing energy oil is usually used to anoint blue candles because blue is the color of healing, which is why we have done that with the label. Here you have palmistry on the front. But yeah, healing energy oil is for all types of healing, mental, physical, disease, illness, helping you in your prayer and your petitions for healing. And you can find it on the aromagees.com website or aromageesbotanica.com.